Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Maths with MD sir. So first year important questions from Locus chapter. So for every chapter we'll discuss important questions for the IPE 2027 examination. From the Locus chapter, you know the weightage of the chapter is 4 marks. If you do these questions, definitely one question will appear in our public examination. See, important points in this chapter, only two formulas are there, that is distance between 2 points and area of a triangle. Distance between 2 points already you have learnt in your 10th class, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, area of the triangle, this formula also you have learnt in your 10th class. Area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Next, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, these are very basic formulas, you know that, but while simplification and calculation, these two formulas only will use. That's why these two also given here. So completely 10th class knowledge if you have, you can answer this 4 marks question in final examination. Now, what is the definition of a locus? A locus is a path traced by a moving point that satisfies a given condition or rule. So otherwise a set of points which satisfies the given condition or rule is called locus. So a point moves according to a fixed condition. The collection of all such positions forms the locus. So example we'll see here, if a point P is always remains as a fixed distance or from a fixed point O, the locus is a circle. So point P is moving such that from a fixed point to a fixed distance. The fixed distance is called radius. Fixed distance is called radius. And fixed point is called center of the circle. So locus means these are all points. So many points will be there. Joining all the points, the path whatever you get, that is called locus. That is a circle in this example. So we'll see more examples. See, perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So locus of a point which is equidistant from the two endpoints of a given line segment AB is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular was equidistant from 2 points, from point A and point B. P is here PA and PB, distances are equal. So like that so many points will be there. Here also you can take the point PA and PB distance. Here also you can take the point PA and PB distances are equal. So joining all the points like this will give perpendicular bisector of AB. So one more example we'll see. Angular bisector of an angle. Locus of a point which is equidistant from the arms of the given angle is the angular bisector. See, if you take any point on this angular bisector, equidistance from arms, OA is one arm, OB is another arm. So PN is equal to PM. The perpendicular distance from P to the OA and P to the OB both are equal. This locus gives angular bisector. So we'll go for another example. Parallel lines example is C. Locus of a point which is at a fixed perpendicular distance from a given line is parallel to the given line. See, one line is there, fixed perpendicular distance. The point how it is at a fixed perpendicular distance is there. That is called, there is one more example for this. Now, locus means a set of points which satisfies the given condition, we know that. What is equation of locus? The equation obtained from the given geometrical conditions is called equation of the locus. So, how suppose, just the previous example, the point P is equidistant from A and B. Suppose PA is equal to PB. So if you simplify this equation, you will get some equation. PA equal to PB, squaring on both sides, PA square equal to PB square. Applying distance formula and simplifying, we will get one equation. That equation only called equation of the locus. For example, see, next procedure for finding locus. How to find locus? There are 4 points are there. We should remember these all 4 points. First point is, let P, x1, y1 be any point on the locus. Let P, x1, y1 be any point on the locus. Next, write the given geometrical condition, second point. Third point, apply the proper algebraic formula. Fourth point, simplify and replace x1, y1 with x comma y. These 4 points, if you remember, you can answer any question in this locus chapter. So, we will see one example, next example. Find the equation of the locus of P if the line segment joining 2, 3 and minus 1, 5 subtend a right angle at P. Subtend a right angle at P is given 2 points. Line joining 2 points, subtend a right angle at P. We can take the diagram like this also. A and B 2 points, P is another point. This AB is making right angle at P. So, in right angle triangle, we know the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse square AB square is equal to AP square plus PP square or BP square or PB square, anyone you can write. So, AB square means distance between 2 points. Already know the formula, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Using that formula, simplify this, you will get final answer is C, the solution. So, first always remember that our first point, let P x1 y1 be any point on the locus. After that, our second point, write the given geometrical condition. What is condition here? PA square is equal to PA square plus PB square equal to AB square from Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle. PA square means here distance formula. After writing distance formula, this is in the form of A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square formula, already know that A square minus 2AB plus B square. Applying A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square and simplifying, final answer we got x1 square plus y1 square minus x1 minus 8y1 plus 13 equal to 0. So, finally what we have to do? Remove x1 and y1 and write x comma y. So, last 1 you remove, final answer x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 equal to 0. In this way we have to find locus of any point in the given question. It is for 4 marks, very important per IPE examination. One more question, A 5, 3 and B 3, minus 2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of the locus of P such that the area of the triangle PAB is 9 square units. Here area of the triangle given. So, our again first point is let P x1 y1 be any point on the locus. That is our first point. Any question in locus, first point you remember that P x1 y1 be any point on the locus. That thing you should write. After that, given condition. What condition given here? Geometrical condition. Area of the triangle given. So, area of the triangle, that condition you have to write. That is given. Area of the triangle PAB is 9 units. After that, apply proper algebraic formula. What formula is there? Area of the triangle. We have learned of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 9. So, now you take the 3 points. First point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, third point p x3 y3 or x1 y1. You substitute all the values in the given formula and simplify, you will get the solution like this. See the solution. Here using the area formula of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 9. This 1 by 2, this 2 if you take that side, 2 into that 9, that gives 18. 2 if you take the right hand side, 2 into 9, that gives 18. Whenever you are removing modulus, remember that plus or minus you have to take. Here 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to plus 18 one time and minus 18 second time. These two equations you have to simplify. Finally, locus of Px1 y1, 5x minus 2y minus 37. Here 1 no need to write, just you write 5x minus 2y minus 37 equal to 0 or 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. In this way, we have to find locus of the given point. We'll go for the next question. See if the distance from P to the points 2, 3 and 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of locus of P. So, in this question, what given? 2 points given. Distances are in the ratio 2:3. PA is to PB. Let P x1 y1 be any point again. Our first point is let P x1 y1 be any point on the locus. your given condition PA is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. PA is to PB means A is to B. A is to B we can write A by B also. So PA by PB is equal to 2 by 3. By cross multiplication 3 PA is equal to 2 PB. So to avoid square roots, squaring on both sides, 9 PA square is equal to 4 PB square. Now PA square means distance between 2 points formula. If you apply PA square and PB square formula, if you both apply and simplify, you will get the final answer. You see the solution here. Px1, y1 be any point on the locus, first one. After that distance formula PA and PB, and PA by PB is equal to 2 by 3. So squaring on both sides and cross multiplication, simplification, we got final answer 5x1 square plus 5y1 square minus 20x1 plus 36y1 equal to 0. Here no need to write x1 and y1, last step 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x plus 36y equal to 0, you write, it's enough. Next we'll go for the next question. So here 2 points are given, minus 3 comma 4 and another point is here. See, 2 points minus 3 comma 4 and another point, these two are given. Point, the area of the triangle PAB is given as 8.5 square units. So let Px1 y1 be any point on the locus. Let Px1 y1 be the any point on the locus. That is our first point. After that, write geometrical condition, that is area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. Given 2 points, you take one point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2, and x1 y1 already is there. So x2 y2 and x3 y3 other 2 points you take and substitute in the formula, area of the triangle formula, and simplify as we done as the previous problem. So here also, while removing modulus, once you observe it, minus x1 plus 17 minus 5y1 is equal to 17, we got. Removing modulus, one time plus 17, one time minus 17 we have to take. And after that simplification, we got x plus 5y1 is equal to 0 and x1 plus 5y1 is equal to 34. So locus of the P is a pair of straight lines here. First line x plus 5y is equal to 0 or x plus 5y is equal to 34. In this way you have to find locus of the given question. So one more important question, we go for the next question. See, A 1 comma 2 and B 2 comma minus 3 and C minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Show that the equation to the locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. So in this question, already geometric condition given. Here no need to write the geometric condition. So directly let Px1 y1 be any point on the locus or first point. After that, given geometrical condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. You see here, PA square means distance between P and A. P point x1 y1 and A point 1 comma 2. Like that PB square, distance between P and B. P point x1 y1, B point 2 comma minus 3. Next PC square, like that similarly A point minus 2 comma 3, C point and P point x1 y1. After finding all the 3 distances, substitute the values in the given condition. So then after simplification, finally we got 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So if you like this, please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you.